Hello everyone. So I've been receiving a lot of requests, to predict the winner of the Asia Cup and the ICC ODI World Cup that is supposed to be held this year itself. Now, to be honest with you, it would be too soon to predict the winner, and I will tell you the reason why. The Indian team is currently in a state of dilemma, after losing the WTC finals, and you are not sure who's going to be the captain, all right, in the Asia Cup and in the World Cup. So, without knowing the captain, it's almost impossible to predict the winner in terms like on the basis of numerology. Now, there is a very interesting fact that I would like to, highlight that if India wants to perform brilliantly in Asia Cup and in the ODI World Cup, they should make Hardik Pandya the captain as soon as possible. And I'm not saying this in terms of form, like I'm not that big an expert of cricket. I am saying this in terms of the numerological position of Hardik Pandya in this particular year. So, see, Hardik Pandya's date of birth is 11th of October 1993. So that means his birth number is 2. And the current year, 2023, if you sum the digits, if you find the sum of the digits, it's 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7. And 2 and 7 is a fantastic combination. It's just absolutely brilliant. 2 and 7 is considered to be one of the best combinations in numerology. So, and if you talk about the date of birth of Rohit Sharma, it's 30 April 1987, and 3 and 7 is not at all a good combination, and moreover he's currently in his 37th year. So if you sum up that, 3 plus 7 is 10, which sums up to 1. So neither is 3 and 1 a good combination. And if you talk about Virat Kohli, his date of birth is 5 November 1988. So even 5 and 7 is not that good a combination. What's interesting is that Virat Kohli is currently in his 35th year. So that sums up to 8, and 5 and 8 is an extremely good combination. So that's the reason, you can see that Virat Kohli himself is in sublime form. He is in a good form currently. But the thing is, on 5th of November 2023, Virat Kohli will turn 35 and he will enter his 36th year. And 36 sums up to 9, and as I explained in my previous video, 5 and 9 is a disastrous combination. So 36th year of Virat won't be good for him. It's quite unfortunate, and I'm not saying this in a good mood, but I have to admit a fact. So from 5th of November 2023 to 5th of November 2024, Virat Kohli won't be in that good form as he is currently. So, on the basis of the date of births of these three people, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya, and moreover, Hardik Pandya's date of birth is 11th of October 1993. So, when the World Cup will be ongoing, he will enter his 31st year. So, 31st, 31 sums up to 4. Alright, and 4 and 2 is again a good combination. Moreover, 4 and 7 is also very good combination. But most importantly, because Hardik Pandya's birth number is 2 and currently we are in 2023, just you can close your eyes and you can make Hardik Pandya the captain if you want to perform brilliantly in Asia Cup as well as in the One Day World Cup. So, we will keep an eye on who the captain is and who the captain will be during the Asia Cup and in the World Cup, and we will keep on sharing these videos with our predictions. But currently what we can say is that if Hardik Pandya becomes the captain, India will surely perform brilliantly in the Asia Cup as well as in the One Day World Cup. So stay tuned for further updates and further predictions. That's it for the time being. Thanks a lot.